Hello everybody, my name is Svetoslav and I would like to share with you an eye care tip to avoid eye strain. When we actively watch around, our eyes get dynamic rest. We increase blood flow in our eyes and nutrients digestion and recovery. When we look in one direction, some muscle contract while other stretch out. And then we look at another direction, on the contrary, these are straining and others are stretched. We look into the distance, some eye muscles work and others relax. And these moments give such an effect that while some muscles are straining, others are resting. The same dynamic resting effect work with our heart. It getting rest in a short moment. The same should happen to our eyes. Unfortunately, this is not always happening, because when some people are looking at the screen, the gaze doesn't move a lot and it's fixed. And secondly, if it's fixed at a short distance, an eye strain occurs. To relieve eye strain, we need to look around at least every minute, so eyes can rest and recover at this time. Subscribe to my channel to improve your eyesight naturally.